Now let us see the properties of matrix addition and scalar multiplication. Now see the properties. Let A, B, C be m by n matrices. Here A1 matrix, B1 matrix and C1 matrix with the order. Okay, m by n means m rows, n columns. Generally they have given m by n matrices. And P and Q be two non-zero scalars. P1 number. Scalars mean that is numbers. Okay, so P1 number and Q1 number. Then the following, then we have the following properties. The first property, commutative property of matrix addition. Okay, so already we know that commutative property for addition, what is it? A plus B is equal to B plus A. But here we are considering the A, that is one matrix, B another one matrix. Okay, here B1 matrix and A1 matrix, the both one. If we change the order also, we will get the same answer only. A plus B or B plus A, both one you will get the same answer. Okay, same matrix only, all the elements same only we will get. The next one, associative property of matrix addition. You know that associative property for addition, what is it? That is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, so only we will change the bracket only. First, the left hand side B plus C, B and C, matrix B and matrix C, we will add it after A plus this value. Okay, so this matrix A plus B plus C matrix, both one if you add it you will get one answer. Here A plus B, first bracket A plus B, first we have to add it. After that matrix with the C matrix we will add it. Anyway you will get the same answer only, A plus B plus C or this A plus B after add with the C means then you will get the same answer. That is associative property of matrix addition. The next one, P, Q into A. Already we have seen P and Q means numbers. Okay, so P one number, Q one another one number after A. So two numbers after multiply with one matrix, then you will get one answer. Here one number. For example, here 2 into 3 after one matrix. Okay, so like that. If you multiply this one, after you have to multiply with this number. Anyway, you will get the same answer only. PQ into A or P into QA. Anyway, you will get the same answer. That is associate. This is also associative property for scalar multiplication. This is scalar multiplication because that is numbers. Okay, P one number, Q another one number. So that is scalar multiplication. So the next one, fourth property, scalar identity property. Already we have seen the identity property means what is it? This is identity property 1 0 0 1. Okay, so all the leading diagonal elements are 1, remaining all 0. Okay, so that is identity property. I is the unit matrix. Okay, so I unit matrix or identity matrix, anyway you can say. So now see here, I means here for example I am taking this one after another one matrix A. Okay, so both one if you multiply means you will get the not addition, multiplication. Okay, so next one we will see how to multiply the matrix, both two matrices, how will you multiply, next only we will study. But here they have given identity matrix. If you multiply with A matrix, so then you will get the answer again the A matrix only we will get. Okay, so that is scalar identity property where I is the unit matrix. I means that is unit matrix or identity matrix. Okay, so that next one, distributive property of scalar and two matrices. So here P means one number, A plus B means A1 matrix, B1 matrix. Okay, so first you have to add it this matrix, after multiply with that number means you will get one answer. Here that number separately you have to multiply with the A matrix, after that same number you have to multiply with B matrix. Next you will add it, mean you will get same answer, the left hand side part and the right hand side part, both one is equal only. Okay, so first A matrix, B matrix you have to add it, after multiply with that number. Here the right hand side part, that number you have to multiply with the A matrix, after that number you have to multiply with the B matrix, next you have to add it. So anyway that same answer only you will get. This is the distributive property of scalar and two matrices. Okay, here two matrices we are considering after one scalar, so that's why distributive property of scalar and two matrices. The next one, distributive property of two scalar with one matrix. Okay, so P one number and Q one number, so both one you have to add it, after multiply with that A matrix is equal to the next one PA. So that number you have to multiply, P1 number, Q another one number. Okay, so P that one number you have to multiply with the A matrix plus Q another one number you have to multiply with the A matrix, both one you have to add it. So anyway the left hand side part and the right hand side part equal only you will get. Here this one distributive property, but two matrices one scalar. Here two scalar, two numbers after one matrix. Okay, so that's why the first one, that's the distributive property of scalar and two matrices. This one, distributive property of two scalar with the matrix. Okay, these are the properties. The next one, additive identity. The null matrix or zero matrix, you know that all the in one matrix all the elements are zero, means that is null matrix or zero matrix, is the identity for matrix addition. Okay, so matrix addition, this is the identity, zero matrix. Okay, let A be any matrix. For example, A1 matrix you can consider, plus 0 means what is it? That is zero matrix, all the elements must be 0. A plus 0 or 0 plus A. Okay, so anyway you will get the answer A only. That's why they have given that 0. Any one matrix you have to add with the 0 only, you can get the A matrix, the given matrix you can get it. So that's why 0 is the identity property they are saying. Okay, the matrix, the null matrix or zero matrix is the identity for matrix addition. So one word sometimes they can ask, identity matrix for addition, what is it? That is zero matrix only. Okay, null matrix or zero matrix. So A plus 0 or 0 plus A. So one matrix, if you add with the zero matrix only, you will get the same A matrix. So that's why zero matrix is the identity matrix. Okay, for addition. The next one, additive inverse. Additive inverse means if A be any given matrix and minus A means you know that additive inverse of all the elements for this matrix. Okay, so that is the additive minus A. Negative matrix. So A be one matrix, minus A means additive inverse of A. All the elements, positive number if you have mean negative number if you have mean positive number. So that is the minus A. Okay, negative additive inverse of A, that is minus A. In fact, we have A plus minus A matrix add with the negative of this matrix. Okay, additive inverse of this matrix A. So that is a minus A. So A matrix additive A matrix after negative of matrix A. So both one if you add it also you will get the zero matrix. Okay, the next one, minus A plus A. So this if you add it also you will get the zero matrix. Okay, so that is the additive inverse matrix. A plus minus A or minus A plus A, the both one you will get the zero. Zero means nothing but zero matrix only. So these are the properties of matrix addition and scalar multiplication. You have to learn this one. Okay, so thank you.